Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I see it all the time. Front door lock, 001 Lockwood, just hanging off the door. Basically it's been installed and it's gotten loose, so I'm going to show you how to tighten it. This lock is not too old, and whoever basically installed it was so lazy they didn't swap over the strike. They didn't even match up the strike, and they did a real bad job of installing. So 2 or 3 years later, it's loose. So let's tighten this up. So this is loose, this is loose. Let's take the screws out. 1, 2, make sure this doesn't drop on the tiles. You just give it a kick back and forward. You have to give it a bump from the back. Normally you don't have to hammer them off like this. It doesn't look so good. Okay, so now let's look at what we're looking at. Whoever installed this was an absolute complete butcher. See this right here? They should be flat. They should be flat. And you can't even turn the key because this cylinder screw is protruding too much. They didn't even cut the tailpiece down to flush. This should be down flush with this surface here. As you see, it's protruding. It's tight for now. It's tighter than it was. It's working better than it was. That feels good. That feels good from there. At least it's not hanging off the door.